Hi guys, Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a brand new Harris 250 Sunliner. So you can see this nice big opening at the front of the boat. You have three of these on the boat. You have a front, port side, and rear entries. So nice to have three different entry points on these boats. Also up here you can see we have the upgraded pillow top furniture. Very plush, very comfortable. And you have the fold-up armrests in the front seats. Also note this, all of these underneath seats have storage, as well as the in-floor storage down here in the floor. All right, coming back to the helm here, you see we have our nice Simrad 9-inch glass dash on here, and you have digital throttle over here. And this specific model is equipped with the JL Audio stereo upgrade, giving you the subwoofer and amp. Nice, tall, comfortable seats here, and both of these seats are bolster. So if you're looking to sit up a little bit higher, look over the person's head in front of you, you have that possibility. Back here at the back of the boat, you can see this one's powered by the 300 horsepower Mercury. And then you also have Harris's signature ladder, nice heavy-duty 24-inch wide grab handles, deep 4-rung ladder, ergonomically friendly. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher of MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the all-new Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks, and have a great day.